6 speckled eggs rest beneath her warmth, each one a promise of life yet to come. Fragile shells protect. But the savanna shows no mercy. As the sun climbs higher, the land transforms into a furnace, and water becomes more precious than gold itself. The future generation. Others should face. Where water once pooled, only cracked earth remains, a testament to nature. The choice tears at her very soul. Stay and perish with her eggs, or leave them vulnerable in search of survival. A decision no mother. Then, between ancient rocks, salvation, a muddy stream, barely flowing, but enough to fuel her return journey. Nature's cruel indifference, yet she must press on. As twilight surrenders to darkness, another hunter emerges. The white cobra, scales gleaming like death itself beneath the moonlight. Within those fragile shells, tiny hearts beat, unaware that mere millimeters of calcium stand between them and oblivion. Two ancient instincts collide. The serpent's cold calculation. Distance collapses in an instant. A mother's scream pierces the dawn. Primal fury given voice. The battle cry of every parent who has ever fought for their young. Victory comes not from size or venom, but from something the cobra could never comprehend, the unstoppable force of maternal love. Against a mother's burning rage, fangs versus talons, venom versus fury. The savanna falls silent, as if paying tribute. Dusk settles, and the night exhales in quiet reverence. Her wings tremble, not from fear, but from exhaustion. The battle won, yet the journey far from over. In the dim star's glow, her and there, the cycle begins anew, life reborn beneath the same unforgiving sky.
In the golden desert sunset, a king cobra rises, hood-flared wide fangs gleaming as it faces an unexpected challenger. The porcupine instantly curls into a defensive ball, 30,000 quills transforming it into an impenetrable fortress of sharp barbed.
Shadow moves, slow and steady. The protector becomes the wanderer again. The horizon bleeds with dawn, each step a promise renewed.
Spikes. The camera glides across endless tan dunes where temperatures exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Wind sweeps across golden dunes, swirling sand around a dead tree branch, a stark reminder of nature's unforgiving power. On reddish-brown rocks, the king cobra lies motionless, its forked tongue flickering, tasting the air for chemical signals. The cobra hood, flared in warning, remains still on golden dunes, conserving energy in the scorching desert heat. Coiled before the dunes, the cobra waits perfectly still. Half hidden among rocks and sparse plants, the cobra demonstrates patience perfected over mature prey. Near a dead cactus tree, the cobra moves slowly like liquid shadow embodying its heat-sensing organs scanning for warm-blooded targets. In extreme close-up, the cobra's head reveals intricate golden scales, each flicker of its tongue gathering crucial information. On the sunset-painted dunes, walking steadily while searching for seeds and roots, completely unaware. In extreme close-up, the porcupine's face shows intense concentration as it sniffs the rocky ground for scarce food. The young porcupine moves slowly forward on orange-tan sand, foraging peacefully, its quills lying flat against its body, the desert's harsh beauty for millions of years of evolution. The serpent's forked tongue continues its rhythmic dance, detecting temperature changes, wind direction, and the chemical signal. Lying low on golden sand, the cobra rests, its metabolism slowed, waiting patiently for cooler hunting hours. A young porcupine emerged. Near a cracked rock structure, the porcupine scratches and gnaws at the base, desperately seeking precious moisture. As golden light bathes the dunes, the porcupine waddles steadily across the frame, wind gently ruffling its quills. Near a dried cactus trunk, the porcupine digs eagerly at the sandy base, each movement unknowingly broadcasting its location to the hunter. Against black background, the cobra's golden eye reveals a vertical pupil adapted for precise depth perception, essential for strikes. On orange-tan sand, the cobra coils tightly, raising its head high, calculating distance and timing, searching for underground tubers. Holding a small morsel between tiny paws, the porcupine chews contentedly, savoring rare nutrition in this harsh environment. The porcupine continues its solitary trek across cooling dunes, moving steadily forward, its body leaving distinctive S-shaped tracks in dust. The porcupine suddenly stops foraging, its body stiffening as ancient survival instincts trigger alarm throughout its for the attack. The cobra emerges from beneath red rock formations, moving deliberately forward, closing the fatal gap between hunter and prey. The serpent slithers over the sand dune nervous system. In close-up, the porcupine's face shows primal fear, eyes widening, heart racing as it recognizes